I'm going to show you the difference between our GSF, the pH neutral shampoo, and the difference to our NanoMagicShampoo, which is a shampoo with a conserving agent inside. I'm sad that there is no kind of smelling TV or way to transport the smell of the products right now, because the GSF, some of you may have already used it, has one of the nicest smells in all our lineup. It smells like pretty ripe, nicely fresh tasting dark cherries. So you should smell it one time. Sad that you guys cannot smell it right now. To show you how it works, I'm gonna apply directly via foam cannon on the paintwork of the car. Since you can use it as a pre-cleaner if you have a wax car, or you can use it as a shampoo if you're just maintenance washing the car. So we are gonna take this part here of the door to show you the shampoo. It needs some pressure. And you can see we have a really thick, rich foam on the surface which sticks for a long period of time. It doesn't flow off too fast. It stays for a long period of time, like 2 minutes. You have no problem, or even longer, that it will not run off easily. This is one side of the door. On the next side of the door, I'm going to apply the NanoMagicShampoo to show you the difference between a shampoo which does not contain a conserving agent and our high-tech shampoo which does contain. You see a difference in the foam. The foam from the NanoMagicShampoo is not as thick as from the GSF. This is because of the conserving agent. You see that the foam runs off the paintwork a lot faster, and that you get open spots in between here. This is the conserving agent, while the GSF still is a thick layer of foam and nothing really happens. Okay, to support the cleaning power of the shampoos now, we're gonna take here the classical washing utensil, a sponge. You can also take a microfiber towel, a microfiber pad, a microfiber sponge, a microfiber glove, whatever your tool of choice is. I'm gonna take this one here. And here I do have 2 buckets. I have 1 bucket with clear water, 2-bucket system, I guess everybody knows it, and 1 bucket with the NanoMagicShampoo. And I'm gonna use the NanoMagicShampoo now on the side with the NanoMagicShampoo. And for the side with the GSF, I'm gonna take a new sponge, so that we do not have any kind of cross-contamination, that we do not get the sealing effect of the NanoMagicShampoo on this side here. Okay, now after the agitation of the sponge, we're gonna rinse off the product from the surface. And as you can see here, where we were with the GSF, we have a very slow water film which is coming down. There is no hydrophobic property in the shampoo, there is no hydrophobic effect. You see the water film is still here on the paintwork. While we go over to the side with the NanoMagicShampoo, we see that the water film opens up pretty fast, pretty soon. We have less water left behind, while here still is the water film. Here is already just a few drops. This helps us in drying the car faster in the aftermath. And also for a maintenance wash, it always leaves a protection for the customer behind. And bonus on top of it, it doesn't matter if you're using it on paintwork, plastics, rims, glass, rubber, whatever surface you can use this product on. So it's usable for everything. Next bonus of the product is, if you coated the car with our 1K Nano, this helps prolonging the lifetime of the 1K Nano because it does contain a similar sealing component which can bond with the sealing from the 1K Nano. This is the difference between those two shampoos.